The first problem solver that we are going to take a look at is tinted brow gel. Whether you have light eyebrows that need a boost of color or dark eyebrows that need to be lightened up, tinted brow gel is the perfect product for you. It can instantly tint, lightly fill, and set your brows. It is even useful when you try to match your brows to colored treated hair. My favorite tip about tinted brow gel is to make sure to blend with a clean spoolie brush. When you blend the gel, you distribute the tint on the front and back of the hair, giving it a completely natural look. One last thing to remember about the brow gels is that they have a tiny amount of shimmer in the formula. But once the gel is blended into the brows, the shimmer doesn't appear on the hair. It just gives a little extra light and dimension to the brow. The hair will look completely natural, and these tinted gels are perfect for clients with any type of eyebrows. Both over tweeze and naturally full brows can benefit from an extra boost of color and dimension.